Set Windows Vista to automatically defrag. The term defrag refers to the utility offered by Microsoft Windows known as Disk Defragmenter. It is there as a solution to the problem that arises due to the way the data is stored by your computer's hard disk. When the hard disk still has a lot of space, the computer simply stores files for newly installed applications in sequential sectors. As the hard disk gets filled up, a user would normally delete unused or unimportant files in order to free up more disk space. These freed up spaces are no longer in sequential order. The spaces are spread all over the disk. Much like when you remove books from their places on a shelf, you leave gaps all over the place. When you install a new program or application, the computer is forced to spread and store the file into these scattered gaps. If you launch that particular application, the computer takes a long time to run it because it has to put together the different components by getting each part from the thousands of gaps that the file has been squeezed into. The function of the defragmenter is to move the files around so that everything is stored on sequential rings in the right sectors once again. Obviously, defragging is vital in keeping your computer running efficiently. However, running it manually could be ineffective, as people tend to forget periodic maintenance procedures. Luckily, Windows Vista can set your computer to automatically launch the Disk Defragmenter automatically. It can even make your computer run a scan for viruses at the same time. Of course, you don't want it to defrag while you are working on an important project. This article will help you set your operating system to automatically launch the defragmenter at a time that is most convenient for you. Select what time and day you want to run the program. There are many ways to access the defragmenter menu. Click on the Start icon found at the lower left corner of your main screen. Scroll over All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, then click on the Disk Defragmenter button. You can also launch it by clicking the Start button and typing the word defrag. Once you have reached the Disk Defragmenter window, you will see a Modify Schedule button on the right part of the screen. Set the frequency by going to the How Often field. Select Weekly from the drop-down choices. Change also the day and the time. Make sure that you choose a time when you will not be using your computer. When you are done, click on the OK button. Choose the drives that you want to be defragmented. From the Disk Defragmenter window, click on the Select Volumes button. Select the drives that you want to be defragmented automatically by clicking on the box beside the names. Click on the OK button. Your operating system will now automatically defrag the computer at the day and time that you have specified. While you are setting the scheduled task, it could also be advisable that you set a periodic virus and spyware scan. By doing these, you will be helping your computer run efficiently and swiftly for a longer time.